Hmm. Oh boy. All right, so my display got screwed up from switching monitors. So let me get open Twitch so I can see chat here at least. All right. How do I adjust this? Okay, here we go. All right, we might as well just adjust my stream while we're doing this. Because I've been wanting to make some changes, so we might as well just do it now that we have to. Chino. Man, the colors look so much different. Okay, so I guess we have to. I want to do a new layout for my stream, and we might as well do this now. So let's go into. How do I set this up such that I can't see me? What up, Sam? Is it under settings? No. Is it? Dude, I can't even tell where I'm clicking. What up, ALS? Hide OBS from capture. There we go. That's what we want. Okay. So I want to change my layout such that my code editor ends up being the full background. So let's just bear with me because I've just switched to a single monitor setup. All right, so that's full screen. And we need to change. I should probably just even reset transform. Okay. Actually, you know what? Let's do it this way. I think there's a like fit to screen. Yeah, there's that. And then we can, I'm gonna hide chat on here for a second as we reorganize things. Oh, that's me. Hide this. We can keep the song queue on there for now. Where is? webcam. Here we go. Unlock. Lock. Transform. Reset transform. Okay, there's that. Can I like add rounding to this? Okay, that's not what we want. Let's see here. It is it's 7:41 a.m. for me. Does anyone know how I can like frame this around the corners? Filters. Effect filters. Crop. What's this do? I don't even know what this does. I don't think this is what we want. Oh, image mask. That's probably what I want. All right, regardless, we'll fuck with that next time. Something like, is it like this? Nope, that's not it. Holy crap, that makes me dizzy just looking at it. Nope. Is it option? There we go. Something like this. And then maybe we go like this. Something like that. And we can go over here. Something like this. All right, I'm not hating this so far. I do want to round the corners on this though. I wish I knew how to do that. I think I'm gonna have to use an image and do an image mask. Okay, so now let's add chat back. And chat can, oh, son of a bitch. Let's lock the webcam. And we'll grab chat, which is currently locked. We can move that into here. And we'll have to make it... Actually, I need some chats. Sorry, chat. I didn't lose my OBS settings. I switched to a single monitor from 2, and it is a 4K monitor rather than... here, hold on. My hair, I'm gonna have to put on a hat because my hair is gonna keep flopping in my face. Let's move me up. Something like this. I'd almost rather have more over here. No, maybe not. Something like that. And then we'll lock you. And then chat needs to move up. Is that cut off at all? I can't tell. All right, I think we're Good. There. I think that's good. What do you think, chat? Make this bigger. Right. 48. All right. Oh man. So I installed Aerospace. So we're going to try to use Aerospace today. That's going to be an interesting adventure. In fact, I want to check my display settings quick. For you. Does anyone know how to properly set the color profile? What up, Dota? I feel like I went display P3 just by default. Like that feels like the right thing to pick. You're in the buttons I've never pushed. I know. I don't want to be here either, Dota. I don't want to be here either. Okay. Wonder if I can I move this? Do something like, hold on. I'm trying to move Twitch chat on my MacBook over on this side. All right. All right, shall we turn Aerospace on? I'm a little afraid. All right, let me come back here. I think we should do a couple more changes to OBS here. 1 second. We'll bump this down just a smidge. Oops. Nope. Why can't I move this? There we go. And then we can lock that, lock that, lock that. Chat can go down a little bit. Something like this. Dang. My headset's at low battery. All right. This seems like a decent setup to start. So let's take that over here, minimize that, and let's see how bad I struggle with Aerospace. All right, we've got that. I've configured this a little bit so far. So we're not starting from complete scratch. I am on workspace 1, and I should be able to switch doing this. 0, 1, 2, 3. All right, that seems good. I'm gonna actually load my Aerospace config here. And why is my audio so quiet in my ears? Oh, whoa, this did really tile. And I should be able to switch between these. Yeah, doing that. I can can do that. We can go into stack mode. All right. And if I want to send this to another workspace, I can do that there. And if I want to switch there, I can do that. Go back and forth. Okay, that's not bad. I fuck with that. There's a small bit of input lag there. Not bad though. It's only if I switch back and forth really fast. My big issue with Aerospace is the inability to distinguish between left and right modifier keys. Oh, yeah, I see. All right. So this seems reasonable. And let's say I want to open. All right, so where did I put? Oh, I also did like this command I found on Twitter where it was like AF, and I can look for my applications that are open in Arrow and switch to the workspace immediately. Like that's pretty cool, right? What's interesting is I don't see OBS, probably because it's on my other screen. So if I want to switch my other screen, is it just tab? No. Is it that one? How do I focus my other screen? I think I have a keybind in here for that. In fact, Aerospace, show Aerospace. Here we go. I don't like that I can't see Twitch chat. It's hard because I now have Twitch chat on my right. Rather than like, maybe I'll put Twitch chat on my phone right in front of me. That's not a terrible idea, actually. Let's try that. I want to go get out of this. How do I... God. Alright, this might actually work. Alright, we'll try this. I wonder what happens if I turn my phone sideways. That doesn't work great. You see... Oh, I have that locked, that's why. Alright, that doesn't work at all. Alright, so I'll just give this a go for a second. Alright, so we are looking for a switch. I want to, whoa. I want Alt-Tab. Alt-Shift-Tab. Whoa, that's not what we wanted. I don't think that's it. Oh, I guess I just focus. It's 6. So if I do... Hold on. I'm now very confused. Alt Z? Is that where I put it? It is where I put it. Or no, it's not. How do I get to 6? I'm now confused. How did we even get to workspace 6? I guess I should move that to just like 5. That's not what I want. All right, so this is just loaded in floating window mode. All right, what is it? It'd be Alt-Shift-Tab. Yeah. Yeah, have you changed some settings in your monitor? Mine has a yellowish tint in standard mode. Yeah, I switched it to, you guys can't see, I put it in creator mode. Under presets and then under creator, color space is set to sRGB. That was the big one I changed. If you go into display and set smart HDR to display HDR 600 2. Yeah, those are the things I've changed so far. All right, so it says that on the right screen, I think what this is saying up here is that my left monitor is in workspace 1, my right monitor is on workspace 5. So if I go to workspace 5, which should be, what do I have that as in my Alt-Y? Okay, that does. I want to change that. I don't like that being Y. This should be Alt equal.
Functions describe the world.
All right, cool. That's the only one. So let's save that. We'll do one of these. What up, Michael? Whoa. Whoa. Pseudo. I'm going to blur that for a second. Did that actually blur? That'd be a good thing to check. Yeah, it did. Great. All right, where did my pseudo window go? I've lost my pseudo window. Oh no. Where'd it go? I've lost it completely. Oh no. This is so annoying now. I can't find my pseudo window. Oh, there it is. There we go. Is that good? This is hard to learn something new, chat. So I'm on my right monitor. I'm on I should be able to do that and send it over here. Yeah, there we go. Okay. We're getting somewhere. What is my... Alright, we want to bump the font up. So now I should be able to... Did we actually run it? Z kick. So... God damn it. Am I still blurred? In the car. Alright, we should be able to reload our config now. Reload config. And now I should be able to go to... Yeah, there we go. Alright, so I want workspace 1 to be my code editor. Workspace 2 will be a browser. So I want to move this to 3. Yeah. Okay, I'm starting to get this. And I actually want a code editor. I want a browser on this screen too. So let me get Arc open here. We'll do a command new. And we'll move this to, what is it? Alt Shift 1. And now I can switch by doing this. Yeah, here we go. And now I can swap back and forth between my code editor and the browser just by going like this. Right? You can go here. Why did that take me over to my other browser? Shouldn't. I don't want it to wrap around. Why did that happen? If I press Alt L, it takes me over to my right monitor. That shouldn't happen. All right, hold on here. I had this working yesterday, so it should just go boom. You see that? It's oh, you guys can't see that, but it's when I do. We're just gonna quit, and we're gonna re-go into aerospace. Okay, this looks fine, right? We're on workspace 1. Now let's say I want to send this over to workspace 5, or 6. Why is workspace, where is workspace 6 coming from? So I should be able to come over here and set this to 5, which would be U. Oh. It's because Alt Shift. I know why it is. There's a conflicting keybind. This. I can't do that. Where do I want? I guess that's fine. It's a little weird. Where would I want that? whatever, that's fine. All right, now let's reload the config again. Okay. Man, the colors between these two desktops is wildly different. All right, so how do I change? All right, I'm focused on this desktop over here. Let me go to here. I want to focus desktop 1. And then, what was it? Shift tab 5. And what does that do? What does tab do? Workspace back and forth. Oh no. Move workspace to monitor. Okay, so that's kind of what we want. I don't know where workspace 6 is coming from. I don't see, maybe it's my 4, 5, 3. I don't see a workspace 6 anywhere. It's the only 6 in this file, which ain't even be a valid one. All right, so we want to go to OBS. And to get to OBS, I can do arrow, switch apps and workspace. Oh, this doesn't even work. I think I can do AF and then here. And then I can do, what did we say it was? Alt Shift. And then send it to Y. Or is it Alt Shift Tab? Okay, there we go. There we go. And then I can switch back. Now I'm over here. Okay, we're getting somewhere. All right, I think I got it. And we can switch it. And then we can switch it to tiled. Okay, I'm starting to figure this out. We have a container here, which I don't know how that happened. I forget how to unsplit. Flatten workspace tree. So I think we want to go into service mode, which is like Alt Shift semicolon and then R. Is that how that worked? Yeah. Now we should be able to go through all of these. Yeah. Okay, chat. I think we're getting somewhere. Ever first name greatest. All right, we do want to move this one. Where is this at? Twitch chat, I want to move, hold on. So this is on my phone now. Let's see if that will stay unlocked. And for now, we can move this to over there. Why didn't that work? Should I be able to send this Alt, Shift, Y? Should send that over there. Very good. Very good. We can put that in there. Okay, we're getting somewhere. All right. That's really annoying. It like is moving me when I'm over here and I'm on screen 1. It cycles over to my other monitor, which is annoying as hell. I wonder if that happens if I put it in stacked mode. It does. It like gets jacked and goes over there. Try it again. How do I close a workspace? Is that possible? I actually just don't understand where workspace 6 is coming from. I wonder if it's because it's the same application. All right, we're just gonna quit out of everything for a second. How do I? I am struggling. Chat, absolutely struggling. Let's close that. All right. We got that. And now let's open aerospace again. I have like this workspace that is 6, and I shouldn't have like this. My MacBook over here is saying it's on workspace 6, but it should be on workspace 5. There we go. That's what I wanted there. And then when I open up let's just say I open up my terminal, and then I open up Arc, right? Let's get them split side by side. I should be able to press Alt and my arrow keys. And that's working right now. Earlier I was getting in a weird position where it was then changing. It was focusing over my other monitor, which was really annoying. One thing I need to look up right now is how to prevent phone from locking while a certain app is open. OS X. Maybe it's working. That's not what we want. All right, right now this feels like it's working. If I go into this mode, that's working. All right, let's make this bigger. Okay. Tmux. All right. I should be able to do AF and it'll list my open. I wonder if this thing is the buggy thing. Like if I go to here. No, everything's still working fine. All right, I do have to figure out how I'm gonna do Twitch chat because this is not working for me. Auto lock. I guess we set it on never for now. All right.
Functions describe the world.
So if I do a new window, I don't even know where that went. All right, so now let me just move that to 5, which should be, whoops. Where am I? Yeah, I want to move this. It should be Alt-Shift-Y. Yes, that is what I want. And then let's over here, put this in. Yeah. Yeah. This is seeming good. Let's see if this breaks it though. Okay. So we're back over here, right? Yeah. Can I cycle through these without breaking stuff now? I can still. Okay. All right. That seems reasonable. All right, I think we're in a decent spot right now. So let's go Vim. And the next thing I want to do today is I want to look at, I feel like I have a decent grasp now on yeah, we're working on a couple things here, Vafi. I want to take a look at snack.mvim. So if we go over here, I want to go look this particular video. Where is it? He talked about snack videos. Here we go. We're gonna watch this quick again. Alright, so we come in here. Does the stream layout seem alright, Buffy? The only thing I would comment is on the font weight on the chat is a bit thin. Okay, let's fix that. Where do I have? I don't even know where I have. OBS over here. Oh, and when chat overlays that, I mean, that's just gonna have to be what it is, because I'd rather have. I mean, we could put a small background behind chat like we did before. Right? I have this chat background, and we could decrease the opacity. Whoops, that's not what I want. Chat background. I'm just using the standard it's hard to get right over here. Something like this. And then we can change the opacity. Here, I'll keep playing this while it's going. Is that decent? Having a small overlay like that, does that make it feel better? All right, hold on. I need to go back here. See, the thing is, like, when I have the editor full screen, I like how the chat looks, right? Like, if I come back into here and we go in like this, like, I like this. Like, that seems good. All right. All right, let's just go look at the configuration for this and see what we can find here. Then we want to go to... Missed the old camera setup. It was so cinematic. I haven't really changed anything other than I moved it up. Or I moved it like my actual thing on the screen. Good luck, Sentient. Folk snack .mvim. So I definitely want some of these. All right, so Folky snacks priority going to equal 1,000, and then we'll have ops equals a table. Get that comma, and then we can do a type annotation here. Snacks dot config, and get rid of config options. I don't know what, I guess we do want big file. Let's just grab this quick, copy and paste it. What'd I miss? I missed a dash. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's okay, because it'll install in a second. Big file dashboard. I don't know if I need dashboard enabled to start. So let's just say that's false. Indent. I don't know if we need that either. Because I think I use both of these. Maybe I can replace both of those completely with snacks. So if we look at, let's do a vertical split here. And we go and look at a mini indent scope. And I also have indent blank line. And I think this is saying I can get rid of both of these, possibly. So I guess, I don't know, let's keep trying to configure this. Let's bump that down, come in here, whoops. And we need, leave it empty to use defaults. Char, highlight snack indents. I think these are the default settings. All right, let's just see what the default behavior here is, I guess. And we can go and we'll just we'll set enabled to be false in both indent blank line and mini indent scope. be a list of highlight groups to cycle through. Oh, we can set, yeah, we'll do that. So we'll grab that, and then up here, I think we can do, was it like a config block? That's a function. Config, yeah. And that is function end. And in here, we'll yoink this. We'll do something super similar. We'll grab that, import that, and then back down here, we'll grab this one, and we'll throw it there. And rather than this being that will be snack. What did we say it was? Snacks indent. Yeah, snacks indent, right? When enabled, scopes will be rendered as chunks except for the top level. Indent blank. I suspect this is going to be wrong, but snacks indent. All right. All right, so that's indent. I wish I had more examples of what this was doing. All right, chat. I gotta go let the dogs out. I will be right
Functions
back, and thank you for the
describe
follow,
the
Dsand.
world.
We will continue configuring here in a minute.
Functions describe the world.
I'm still muted because I'm an idiot. Shouldn't this be... It should be prompting me for my fingerprint. If we come in here and we go to Vim now, we should get installs. Yep, good. And if we go to our last open buffer, snacks, indent's not doing what I thought it would. Right, like it should be doing indents here. Caution, you need to explicitly pass options for a plugin or set enable true to enable it. Check health snacks. You see this? Indent's not even showing up. Which is kind of crazy. Snacks is set up in LazyVim. Error, setup not called. Well, that seems wrong. Oh, it's because I added a custom block here. So we need to import snacks. So we'll do local snacks equals, in fact, we probably don't even need this. Oh, maybe we do. I probably have to pass these ops to set up. Paste that in there. Probably have to do that if I had to guess. Okay. Let's quit out of there and back in. Lazy. I guess we don't need to check lazy. We just need to do check health snacks. Okay, that looks good. I don't know why it's still not showing indent in here, but okay, we at least have it here. It's almost what I want, but the colors are for sure wrong. So if we go to indent, only show indent guides of the scope. Only show indent guides in the current window. Those might be what I want. In fact, we can probably go back, right? We can probably delete, throw that down there, and then we can delete this. And then here, let's say only scope. Does it have a highlight group? Snacks indent group. Okay, that's what we want. So let's do this. And this will be scope. And that should be okay. Something like this, maybe. That's ridiculous, Ryan. Oh no. I want to send this to back over here. And then I want to go over here. Alright, now I can go up here and we can go ahead and quit and Vim and back over here. Alright, we're getting closer. That outside border is hideous, but that is my Git plugin. Alright, this is what we want though. Alright. When enabled, scopes will be rendered as chunks. I don't know what chunk means. Dot. So Nix is a rabbit hole. It is a package manager. It is a operating system, and it is a programming language. I use it as a package manager, and I use it to control my OS X installation and my dot files. Filter. Filter for buffers to enable indent guides. So like what happens if I go in here? Okay, it does turn off for some of them. Alright, I think I'm down for that. That lets me get rid of 2 plugins. I can get rid of indent scope and I can get rid of indent blank line. So that's sweet. Alright, so the next plugin I want to look at is notifies the next one. I think I want to do they have anything about notifier in here? Because there's now there's a hotkey to dismiss.
Functions describe the world.
Holy moly! Thank you, Ozzy boy.
It's
Super
the gospel of the
appreciative.
camel.
Yes.
I speak the gospel of the
I found
dunes.
DevOps toolbox this
The
weekend.
sand is in my veins.
Thank
Come
you
ride
so
a
much.
camel with
I
me
super appreciate
today.
it. All right, notifier. We're gonna come in here and we can probably get rid of. Do I have notify in here? I do. Oh boy. I have a bunch of freaking custom stuff for NVIM notify that I didn't know I had in here. So that's great. Can I not set the all right, let's just say YOLO override notify function to filter out messages, no information available. I guess we delete this and then we go back into snacks. Dad joke of the day. MeUndies should have a special edition product for devs called Package Manager. Yes. That's actually hilarious. I mean, I think the default stuff looks fine here. MV, yeah, we don't need that. I do want to grab. I swear in the video there was a way to dismiss. Hi.
Hi. I'm gonna leave in like 15, 20 minutes if you want to come with me.
Probably not.
Okay. Also, your coffee beans are gonna be here today.
Thank God. Nice. Leader UN. Are these defaults? I'm assuming that's a default. Okay. It's a dactyl. I don't know what that was. We got a Twitch hype train emote. Oh, interesting. So it's saying, let me get the music playing again. This is the first I've really fucked with my NeoVim config in like a year. Maybe not quite a year, but like this is the first big change I've done in like months. I don't touch my config very often. Status column. So we might be able to get rid of my status line stuff too. Where do I configure my status line? Symbols outline. Is that this one? No, symbols outline is this thing. Status line. Lua line's the bottom. I think it's just get signs. Right? Let's just disable it quick, and we'll say enable it as false. And then in snacks, we will status column is enabled. Okay. And then we will, what else do we want to turn on? Words. I don't know how words works yet. Modes, normal, input command, snacks, words, jump. I have a key binding for and bin Lua user key maps. Ooh, I don't like whatever this is doing. Do not like that. That smoothness, I hate that. Scroll, this is gonna be, get that out of there. Hate that. Let's see here. Lua plugins, mini cursor word. I think we can get rid of this. I don't even use this really. I do, but I think snacks will replace that. Because we have that enabled. Quick file, I don't even know what quick file does. Jump. I'll have to set up this at some point. Actually, while I'm thinking about it, we should just do it. Okay, let's just say we're going to go into key maps. What should be the keybind for jumping between words? I don't really ever use it because I just use star anyways. So yeah, let's forget about that actually, now that I think about it. What is input? Better Vim UI input. Oh, it's that thing? I don't think that's gonna work. I don't like that thing because it gets in my way when I'm searching. If I could like align it at the bottom, maybe I would do it. What is cursor line? Oh yeah, I know what cursor line is. Position is float, border is rounded. I don't know if I like the input, man. I like using Wilder down at the bottom, so I think I'll keep using that. And then quick file is, let's see what quick file is. When doing, it will render the file as quickly as, okay, that can just stay. We don't need this because we use oil. I would like to use how does this work? Oh, that's kind of nice. Deletes buffers without. All right, so let's try. Let's add the git blame one, and we'll go from there. I get a bit overloaded when I try out packages that tweak the UI too much. I can never settle, so I just go with the defaults as much as possible. I know this has nothing to do with what you're doing. I'm just curious about your schedule because I'm trying to find a good schedule to do my streams. Yeah, I stream 3 hours before work, or it's been closer to 2.5 over the past couple months, but ideally I get my ass up and do 3 hours before work. All right, so we have that. Yeah, I wake up at like 6:15. So all right. We'll do that. And then, oops, that's not what we want. We just want to split. I want to go to keybinds, key maps, and then there's a git blame in here. GB. I think I can comment that. And I can probably get rid of this. I don't use this ever. I don't even remember ever using that. Oh my god, I hate this animation. Alright, let's just do this and do a DWB and get rid of this animation. I need to figure out where to put Twitch chat. I don't love having it on my phone because I'm looking down. Blur. Whoops. All right, yeah, I think I'm gonna copy and paste these keybinds into my config so I can see. All right, and we go up here, Vim. Okay. The other one we want to do is, we say git browse. All right, we'll add that. Let's see if that works. And I want to go grab the keybinds so I can see them. Yes, you can go. Here. All right. Let's grab these. In fact, we just need down to, well, we might as well just grab all of them, right? And then we'll delete out. Vim into here. And then we put keys there. Oh. Keys goes there. I do want to turn on Zen mode. That is one I do want. So let's actually change the word Zen. Leader Z. Leader Z I have mapped already. Which I never use. So let's get rid of that key mapping. Where did I put that? Leader Z. Yeah, get rid of that. Okay, that's fine with me. Leader dot. I don't think that works. We're trying, yeah, we're trying, how do you install it? I just symlink, or look, if you were to look at my home manager, you would see that I have a bunch of my dot files just symlinked. Like this right here. I just don't care. It makes it easy, and I still get a lot of the benefits of Nix for the things I want, and then I can opt out when I don't want it. The only annoying thing is having to reload my Darwin switch when I make changes, but I honestly don't make changes often enough for that to be super annoying. Like this morning, it's really annoying, but I'm not doing this very often. Command. Where does snacks come from? Is that a global? Can you just grab snacks like that? Hmm.
Where are your car keys?
I think they're up on my nightstand.
You get out of here. These dogs. Pissing me off. Not you. You're lovely. Go tell him good morning. Bodhi, come say good morning.
What?
I was telling Winnie that she was pissing me off. And then I looked at Bodhi and I said, not you.
Hmm.
Look at him. I don't think his tummy feels good.
Why?
I can't say it on stream. Okay.
Rip Bodhi.
Yeah.
Damn, get signs, Winnie, status. Zen. Okay. I think that will be good for now. We might have to fight some of these keybinds, but I think this might be good. Appreciate that, Suyash. Glad I could help get you on the Neoboard train, or Neovim train. Is Nyx good? No, Nyx is the worst and the best.
Trash. I actually don't know Nyx. I'm not a programmer. Don't take anything I say to heart. I am gonna leave. Are you in meetings? Are you in meetings from like 10 to 11?
Almost certainly.
Would it be okay for Samson to be picked up during that time, or should they wait till I get back?
Let me look.
It should be at 10:30.
Dude, get these fucking notifications out of my face.
Why are they all coming in at once?
I don't know.
That's fucking crazy.
Oh my god. Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Their ETA is 10:35.
Okay.
Okay.
Am I still blurred? I don't even know. There we go. Yeah, I need to figure out a better place for my Twitch chat. 'Cause this ain't it. It sucks. Configuration. Alright, so let's see here. I should be able just to do leader Z. That didn't do. Did that really do? I don't think this did what I think it did. Like, this is definitely Zen mode, but it's like not a good Zen mode. Oh, sorry. Alright, I don't need Zen mode then. Actually, we can keep it, but I just probably won't use it all that often. Winnie! Good lord. Come here. Zen leader capital Z. Oh. what that did. Is this working at all? Chat, I don't know what I'm doing. This doesn't feel right. Like, this is kind of nice. I don't know what zoom does. Toggle zoom. Do I need another? Oh God. I just crashed. That's a clash. Make that leader B for scratch buffer. Something like that. Okay. Leader N. Notification history, that's nice to have. We're gonna do that. Buffer delete. Nice, I like that. And we want to go back to snacks. I don't know what this Zen zoom does still. That still doesn't make sense to me. I don't think it's working, possibly. Toggle show status line. Yeah, the dismissing notifications is nice. Rename file. I'm never gonna use that because I just use oil. So I can delete this. I need to like delete the stuff I'm not gonna use. Git browse. Oh shit. Oh damn, that's fucking fire. You see what that just did, chat? That just opened GitHub to the file I'm in. That's sick. That's sick. All right, I've frack with that. I'm actually gonna change this to this is gonna be OG. It's gonna be open blame line, lazy git. I don't have lazy git installed currently. Currently, what did I say? Snacks. What's a snacks? GG, current file history, GL, get log, un, just dn. I might just do replace d, dismiss notifications. Control C. Oh, that's pretty nice. How do I get out? Dude, I don't even know how to. So I come down. That's kind of nice. I'm not gonna lie, that's actually kind of nice. Control, this is like a hard keybind for me to get. Oh, it's control space. Or no, that's not space. That's, yeah. I'm just gonna delete this. I don't need this. Ah, so I do have. I don't think that's working. Yeah, me either. I'm still gonna use tmux. I'm not gonna use these. Relative. Sure. Whatever. Alright, I can live with these keybinds. These seem reasonable. Alright, I guess. I noticed my git signs aren't on. Alright, let me blur. Okay, unblurred. And when we go into Vim, let's say we go back over here. I still don't have my git status line. Like get signs is not working. What happens if I do? Does that work? Leader. I don't think these are working. Interesting. Okay. I think that's everything. Hometown mods? Scratch buffer. Nice. Snacks. It's annoying that I put that extra S there. Oh God, what the fuck is that? Oh yeah, the thing we wanted to do is, let me do this, and we're going to do, I don't know what we just changed. Alright, whatever, we'll do that. One more time. I wanted to look at the Git stuff. Yeah, I know. Blur. Okay, blur. Neovim updates. What's nice is we're going to be able to do a clean here. Delete a bunch of stuff. And let's see here. Should be able to, what we say, GB. Nice. I don't know why this process exit is there, but if we do, git blame. Add Mona Lisa. I feel like this isn't working. All right, let's go over to R10 and quit out, quit out, quit out.
Functions describe the world.
Come in here. And where were we? You're in here last. Yeah. So let's say I do... Something is not working well with... I wonder if it's because it's... I have an idea here. Is it in here? No, I don't even need that, but maybe in Home Manager. I'm guessing it's Delta getting all weird. Get rid of that as my pager. What's up, Samson? You good boy? Ugh. All right, so let's quit out of there. Back in. I'm hoping that fixes what we were just seeing. That process exited is kind of concerning to me. I wonder if I have anything in my config, envim, tmux, zeesh, fish. None of these should touch anything with git. Nothing there. GitHub, FD, Doggo, ripgrep tree, wget, programs like GPG, direnv. Plugin git. I don't think that should impact anything. Packages, cargo. What we need, it would have access to Git. Seems like it should all be fine. Oh, goodness, chat. All right. Okay. Seeming good. What happens if I do a git blame one here? Dude, this is so annoying. Why is this? Check health, I guess. Snacks. Scroll status column. Here. Does anyone have any idea why my Git stuff isn't working well? I'll show you in just a second. Let me read through check health. Cinnamon core, okay. Don't care about that. Nvim. Terminal, tmux, that's fine. That's fine. Do I need lazy git for that? Okay, so what's happening here is when I press go to look at my git blame, I get this process exit at 0. And I have no idea what that's coming from or why that's happening or how to debug that even. I don't know how to fix that. It's not the, it's like the built-in, like that works. That's awesome. It's using the snacks git stuff. I mean, I guess we could look at great. All right, I guess we can look at the code. Where would this be? Lua, snacks. Seems like it's using snacks.terminal utility to open it as a float. So that's interesting, actually. I wonder. I bet it's because I disabled that, didn't I? That's what we have to do, right? And what is the command it was running? Okay, let's see how that works. If we go in here and we vim, go back in here and we do please work. Damn it, still process exited. That's really annoying. Lua snacks dot get root. I guess I want to print that. Why is that not working? I think you can change the ops when calling the get tool. Get. Snacks terminal 103. If you set the interactive flag, maybe it won't output the message. Okay, so we want to set count ops. Where do ops come from? They come from calling blame line. And then we'll come in here and we'll say, we'll give this, let's give it a count of like, I don't know, 10, double it. Interactive is true. And then they get deeply merged, so it should be fine. Right, this is an equal. God, I'm tired. Not using an out of store symlink. I don't know. How do I check that? Because I always have to do this. The way I set it up, make out of store symlink, and I symlink it to the directory that's up here. Like, it's because I'm using a relative path. It has to be absolute. Oh, dude, that will save my life. So you're saying if I take this and I do like slash users, oops, or I can even do slash home, right? This would be slash home slash, I guess it would be users. Config.xug config home. So if I do this, DM Mulroy, code. What is the path I'm in right now? Copy. Where am I at? Code personal kickstart. Config. Aerospace. So we could say something like, let kickstart path equals. So how I do that? I have to do that up above, right? That has to be like up in where I have scope. Whatever, I'm okay with relative right now. What is it? This? Yeah. Okay, that seems good. All right, let's try that. I didn't know that. Oh no. Config nvim init outside home.
Speaks the gospel of the camel. I speak the gospel of the dunes. The sand is in my veins. Come ride a camel with me today.
Now I'm confused. Now I'm more confused than I was when I started. And I can't find my freaking Twitch. Thank you for the sub, Oki. Appreciate you. So it's complaining that error installing file .config nvim init outside home. What am I doing wrong there? I'm just gonna keep it like that for now and we'll mess with this. All right, and now we can come up here, quit, reset, clear, vim in, please. Home manager. Let's just say, I don't know. That doesn't work at all. Snacks. Where did we do that at? Count, interactive. Yeah, it could be the, well, the recursive shouldn't matter because it, I don't know, I'll fuck around with it. I symlinked a directory. Right? Don't I need to symlink the entire directory? Like, if we look at home manager, and then I look at how this is working. Like for nvim, I pointed at my nvim folder, which is in here, and then that's the whole directory, which gets split into .config nvim. Like this is symlinked to my store. That's not right, is it? These all shouldn't be symlinked to my store. They should be symlinked to that folder, right? Dude, I don't know how to debug you. All right, I have to wrap up anyways. We'll try to fix this tomorrow. All right, let's go raid somebody. All right, I'm using a tiling window manager. I have to move this over. So what is it? Alt Shift and there, and we'll do Alt Shift F. Where am I? And we'll go here, raid channel, and we'll raid Prime. We haven't raided Prime for a hot minute. All right, y'all. Have a good Monday. Is it raiding? Yeah, here we go. Great.